And now for your Barbershop Harmony New Zealand Mixed Quartet Gold Medal winner and trophy winner of the Rowena Harper Cup, to be presented by Anthony Currington, BHNZ rep. And that award goes to Fifth Melody.
Well done, guys. Well done. Take a photo. I appreciate the middle.
I'd like to invite Fifth Melody back out again, please. And our humble apologies because they're actually last year's winners, so therefore they stand down from being eligible for BHNZ. Don't worry, don't worry. So, if Euphonic and Mixed Potential please step off the risers for a moment. Mixed Potential, would you please take off your bronze medals and take the silver ones from Euphonic. Rightfully give Euphonic their gold medals. Weren't you just aching for a bit of drama in your night? And I'd like to invite Mr. Dan Milgate, who is the BHA president, and some of us would say the best baritone around. He will present the gold medals and a trophy to our mixed quartet. Our 2023 Pan Pac mixed winner is Fifth Melody. And we're going to invite the lovely Jane from Fifth Melody to come out and present our bronze medal for our BHNZ Open Quartet. To Euphonic! To Euphonic!
Shit.
And a lovely one of the members of the Fifth Melody, Theodora, is going to present our third place bronze medal to Heist.
Oleh kisi kamar ki ai.
Hello, lunga melaw ka. Hello, lunga melaw ka.
Pamata
And to
ni
present our silver medal, I'd like to invite Sina to come out.
Sina. Bui.
So your 2023 BHNZ Open Silver Medalist is Unlimited.
Nga mahayani. Nga ipanyasina. Ang faula. See? Nga that's best. That's better.
Ayo, mana saya salah ni.
Pengesalan niya faula iya.
Okay. That's the one. Silakan Sina.
And your 2023 gold medalist in the Open category will be presented by Solomon, and we have the John Buckley Gary Taylor Trophy to go with their gold medals.
Oleh ang champigny.
And your 2023 winners are the usual suspects.
Salah.
Yes, that's one. That's the one. That's the one. That's better.
Metrov. Petrov.
So final na siya tapos.
All right, the Open Quartet gold medal and trophy will be presented by Warwick McQuaid, the BHNZ president. All right, if you're ready, with a score of 2950 and 81.9%.
Oh.
Fifth melody.
That's it to my goal.
Balot also.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, what a marvellous 2 days we've had of singing. And of course, we're going to have far more tomorrow with all our choruses. 30 choruses are going to have coming across the stage. This has been wonderful. I'd like to particularly mention that a big thank you to, we've got the wonderful 19th Avenue here from Hawaii. It's lovely to have you in our top 20. And for everybody who's walked across the stage yesterday or today and yet to come, big congratulations for all the work you've put in before now. So this is wonderful. Thank you so much. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We'll see you all tomorrow.
Wow.